if I told you there's a new crypto exchange built not by billionaires, not by faceless suits, but by traders who got wrecked just like you? Forget the polished lies, forget the VC hype. This isn't about pretending to be safe while they gamble with your bags. This is What.Exchange. It's raw, transparent, and built for the people who actually trade. No fluff, no fake safety nets, just code, community, and chaos. And the guy behind it, he's not some LinkedIn approved founder. He's I'm Not the Wolf, a trader turned builder who's been deep in crypto since before most people could even spell DeFi. This isn't financial advice, but it might just be the most honest thing you'll hear all week. In a world still reeling from the fallout of FTX, the name Sam carries a weight that no one in crypto wants to repeat. That collapse wasn't just about billions lost. It was about trust, broken publicly, and the people who paid for it weren't hedge funds or institutions, but retail users. So when a new trading platform calls itself What.Exchange and proudly states that it's doing everything right that Sam did wrong, it's not just cheeky branding, it's a mission statement. At the origin of What.Exchange is a figure known to many in the crypto world. I'm Not the Wolf, a veteran of the space who has been immersed in cryptocurrency since 2012 and has been trading full-time since 2016. His journey is emblematic of the tumultuous path many early adopters navigated. His experiences, from the highs of significant gains to the lows of devastating losses, have been shared candidly with his followers. In a notable instance, he recounted how a follower's experience of making and then losing a fortune in crypto mirrored his own challenges in 2019. These personal narratives have fostered a deep sense of authenticity and relatability. Unlike the polished personas often associated with crypto entrepreneurs, I'm Not the Wolf's transparency about his successes and setbacks resonates with a community that values genuine engagement over curated perfection. His trading acumen is also well recognized. He has been featured in discussions about advanced trading strategies such as Ichimoku cloud trading, where he delved into techniques for spotting reversals using his method alongside classical technical analysis. Such insights underscore his deep understanding of market dynamics and his commitment to sharing knowledge with the broader community. The ethos of What.Exchange is intrinsically linked to its founder philosophy. And the platform emphasizes community involvement, transparency, and a departure from the opaque practices that have plagued other exchanges. By allowing traders to have a say in the platform's direction and ensuring that operations are conducted openly, What.Exchange seeks to rebuild the trust that has been eroded in the crypto space. What.Exchange presents itself as a crypto trading venue created by traders who've spent years in the thick of it, feeling every pump, every rug pull, and every shady exchange freeze firsthand. Their slogan, built by traders, owned by degens, doesn't try to be corporate. It's raw, it's transparent, and it speaks directly to the community that watch centralized players lie through their teeth while preaching security and compliance. Now, the team behind What.Exchange isn't interested in replicating that. They're here to build the exchange they wish they had. At the center of their pitch is simplicity and trust. Their website, trade.what.exchange, is clean and straightforward. No over-designed dashboards or distractions, just tools for trading built with the mindset of people who've been burned before. Now, unlike other platforms that bury you in a maze of order types and fine print, What keeps the focus on clarity and fairness. They are non-custodial, meaning your funds stay in your wallet until you trade. So no middleman at all. No surprise holds, just you and the blockchain. Now, there's a link down below to help you sign up and to help my channel stay sustainable as well, so be sure to check that out if this interests you. Now, the most important thing to understand is that What is trying to flip the typical power dynamic. Most exchanges build their business model around extracting value from their users. Market makers get special deals. Liquidity gets rerouted. Spreads quietly widen. Now, What.Exchange takes the opposite route. They build in public. They're community focused to the point where they let traders directly shape the direction of the platform. Voting, participation, feedback loops, it's all baked into how they operate. And before you look at where What fits in, I want to take a quick moment to let you know that I'm not a registered financial advisor and that my videos are always meant to be educational and entertaining only. Make sure you do your own research and to only invest money you're willing to lose, because even though you can gain a lot in crypto, you will most likely lose it all. It's also very important to keep your crypto and online activity secure, and for that I've put links in the description to VPNs and hardware wallets, so make sure to use those. Now, to get a sense of where what fits in, you have to compare it to the other players that matter in a decentralized space. Uniswap is a giant everyone knows, unquestionably the default when it comes to on-chain trading. But Uniswap is purely an automated market maker. It doesn't offer order books, and it's slow to adapt to things traders care about, like tight execution and front-running protection. And then there's DYDX, which caters more to perpetuals and offers order book functionality, but it has struggled with decentralizing its backend. Parts of its infrastructure still depend on centralized components, and its trading fees have been criticized for being unfriendly to smaller users. On the more experimental side or end of the spectrum, you've got platforms like GMX and Level Finance, which have introduced decentralized perpetual trading with mechanisms like real yield and revenue sharing. GMX in particular draws in traders by offering zero slippage trades and real returns to its stakers. But again, the user base is split between speculators and those farming rewards, creating a gap between the product's intention and its use. Now, I've also made a dedicated video on GMX before, so be sure to check it out so you can learn all about that as well. What.Exchange sits at a different point in this triangle. They're not trying to be the everything for everyone platform. They're focusing on simplicity, community control, and transparency. Think of it like the anti-FTX, with no central vault, full of customer funds to misuse and no opaque operations hiding who's really pulling the strings. If GMX is for the trader-farmer hybrid and DYDX is for the technical degen who loves leverage, What is for the disillusionized crypto native who just wants a place to trade fairly and maybe laugh at the absurdity of it all while they're at it. What also taps into the cultural side of crypto in a way others don't. You won't find press releases written like investor pitch decks. You'll find memes, dark humor, and brutal honesty. It's a platform that doesn't pretend to be something it's not. That might alienate the suits, but for traders aged 25 to 45 who've lived through 2021 euphoria and 2022 despair, that honesty is magnetic. There's a long way to go for What to reach the level of adoption that names like Uniswap or GMX have achieved. But it's also very early. Their focus isn't on chasing volume at all costs. It's on building a platform people actually trust. They don't advertise promises of passive income or gamified staking. They just promise not to screw you over. And in crypto, that's starting to sound revolutionary. What.Exchange isn't perfect, but they don't claim to be either. In a space overrun with marketing fluff and buried motives, that alone makes them worth watching. Or better yet, worth trading on. Because at the end of the day, the best proof is always in the trade. So, are you going to trade using What? You can sign up using the link below while helping my channel grow. Let us know down below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Doei!